Nick. Nick. What the fuck? Nick. Nick.
What do you want?
Didn't you say you need help moving today or something? Like, where's all your stuff?
How did you get in here?
Your mom let me in. Didn't you say you need help moving?
Yeah, what time is it?
Okay, I don't know. It's like 11 o'clock, dude.
Seriously?
What is this? Seriously, dude, where'd all your stuff go? Are we not moving today?
I decided to go full minimalist, you know, just...
Full minimalist?
Yeah, because I gotta move all my stuff.
There's nothing in here. There's no, what do you, there's no bed.
I got my bed, I got my workspace over there, I even have a plant.
A plant. That's what you need, that's what's important.
His name is Steve. I'm just kidding, guys. As you can tell, the room is now empty. We're moving out, and I'm doing a little series about it. So, let's get back to earlier today when we were loading everything up in the truck.
Let's go.
I'm feeling a change coming. I'm feeling a change coming. Right here, I'm feeling a change. I'm feeling a change all around me. No doubt, I'm feeling a change. I'm feeling a change running down me. Now, there's change coming. Now, there's change coming. There's change coming. There's change coming.
All right. We got everything packed up, ready to go. Follow me up here. You can see they actually upgraded me to the 16-foot trailer. Didn't really need that. I actually ordered the 12, but hey, that's what you get, right? But it's like, I would say maybe a third full, and we weren't even being very cautious about, we just literally just threw everything in here. We weren't playing Tetris with it. There is more stuff to get rid of, and it took us only maybe a little over a couple hours, so made life much easier. I'm really glad I wasn't moving a year ago, because between now and then, I got rid of a lot of stuff. So let's drive this thing over to Scottsdale. This is gonna be fun. That sounds promising.
Right here, I'm feeling a change. I'm feeling a change all around me. No doubt, I'm feeling a change. I'm feeling a change running down me. Now, there's change coming. Now.
So, we made it here alive. Was not very fun because, well, they decided to close down the interstate, so traffic was a blast. But now that we're here, I'm really excited to go and check out what this apartment looks like, all cleaned up. Pretty pumped. Let's go and check it out. Gotta get my keys and everything.
Hey, buddy.
We got the keys. Started from the bottom, now we're here. Still on the ground floor. Welcome to my new apartment. You ready, Dan? I don't want to put that couch up here. It's gonna be pretty fun. Nick! It's so stupid! You're such an ass! Let's go.
I'm recording, don't worry.
I'm ready to go, Dan.
Nick, I had to hold the fucking thing with my fingers.
Okay, let's go!
Oh, my hat's being done.
You feeling okay? What we need to do is
Lift. How much height do you have?
Ooh, rubbing.
You're gonna need to lift it up.
I'm gonna die.
Yes, you can. You have to look. Okay, this, we're doing this with it. Okay?
Yep.
Right here.
Yes.
Sounds great.
It's gonna hit the wall.
It's fine. It's our only option.
Don't yell.
Let's go. Come on.
Pivot.
Not now!
Pivot!
I'm not ready.
Pivot.
Okay, that's not gonna
Pivot.
I got it, you know. Drop it, Massimo.
I'm gonna die.
No. Oh my balls. That way. Nick, that way. You just gotta trust me. Massimo, you're gonna catch it. Just
I'm recording video.
And would you look at that? The truck is empty. Holy crap. I don't think I've been that exhausted in a long time. Let's just say taking that couch up the stairs was not an enjoyable experience, to say the least. Oh, there's Massimo driving the RAV. You ready to take this thing back?
Let's do it.
So happy to be done, man.
Probably today.
As you can see, we already got stuff in the apartment. We actually have everything in the apartment. I tried my absolute best to record bringing everything up here from the moving truck, but it was pretty much impossible. Let's just put it this way. I returned the moving truck with about 5 minutes to spare. Otherwise, I would have been charged massive fees. So, thank you for that. I am now extremely exhausted, really tired, but at least everything is all here in one place, all in one piece. Nothing's broken. I'm excited about that. At least I'm pretty sure. And I guess for tonight, I'm gonna clean up the kitchen, kind of put things in order. But that's about it. Tomorrow morning is where I'm gonna be putting everything in place and figuring out what I wanna do with this place. Really excited? Let's clean up this kitchen. So, now that we got pretty much everything cleared out of that way, we're gonna go ahead and set up the entertainment center, well, pretty much my TV. I don't really do much gaming anymore, so there's not really any consoles, but I do have a Chromecast connected to my TV so I can watch Netflix or stream YouTube videos. It's pretty much what I use it for myself, just when my friends are over. It's a cool way to kind of bond together and watch movies or whatever, so let's get that TV set up.
There's change coming. There's change coming. There's change coming.
I'm exhausted, but now, at least in the morning, I can make coffee, because that's all I have. I don't have food, I don't have plates, I don't have silverware, but I can make coffee, so that's a plus. See you guys tomorrow.